Hello. Thank you so much for sending me the email. I am Dr. Diksha Singh, owner and founder of Hormonal Wings and author of book It's All About Periods and It's All About Pregnancy. My both books are available on Amazon, and basically I'm a physiotherapist, and I'm in specialization in obstetrics, obstetrics and gynecologist physiotherapist. So basically I'm working with the antenatal and postnatal part of the women and their periods disorder. So in our clinic Hormonal Wings, we are like treating it, and our vision is to treat and rehab women as much as number we can just cover in an entire globe. So we are like, our aim is to being woman, love women, treat women, educate women is my only motto of life. And pelvic health is more integrated and universal practice for all individuals regardless of gender, age and stages of life. These are like my mottos. And welcome to Hormonal Wings, and I am Dr. Diksha Singh. This is my small intro. I've been running this Hormonal Wing since I think year 2017. I just inaugurated it. It's a physiotherapy clinic, but basically we're working with the women's health. Our main motto is behind the Hormonal Wing is to let the women's hormones under their will, how to control their hormones. So basically hormonal wing, it's treating your hormone, rehabbing your hormone. So this is hormonal wing, and I'm working with hormonal wing, and I'm the founder and creator of it. I've been founder of Hormonal Wings. It's been more than 6 years, and it's like a day, like yesterday. I just opened the Hormonal Wing. It's a vision to rehab and educate women about their health, and we provide services like your periods disorder rehab, basically treatment. It's a women's health clinic, so we are working with the women's health. So it's a women's health clinic basically. We are working with the women's and their disorders in menopause too. So we are working from menarche to menopause in treating the females. When I completed my internship from Army Hospital RNR, Research and Referral Hospital, I was like, I am way back to my hometown. I just like fed up with the city life. I just want to come back home and live with my parents. So with living here, I have to do something. So this is my vision. I started a clinic at the age of 21. So I just started a clinic, and I'm like already installed for that time for my master, my specialization in OB-GYN. And beside, I just started this vision. First the online platform, then it comes to the venture, the Hormonal Wings, a perfect and maternity rehab clinic for the women's health. So this is how I come to the leave the city life, come to my town Kanpur in UP, India, and I started this venture. And now we are moving to Mumbai soon. Study something which is like my hobby. I'm a, like a 10 plus 2 in with maths and bio. I'm a PCMB student. Then I just did my specialization, my bachelor, my graduation in physiotherapy. Then I worked with a diploma in naturopathy. Then I just move on to diploma in nutrition too, because I love to eager to learn many new things. Then I just also completed my basic sub specialization in pelvic floor rehab specialist. Then to your OB-GYN physiotherapy, my masters. Then now I'm pursuing to PhD soon, and basically I'm an author. I'm a published author. I have 2 books. It's all about pregnancy and it's all about periods, already on Amazon, and my website hormonalweeks.com. So you can find it there. And I'm also a YouTuber. Basically I just content creator, and I'm a content writer too. So basically there are lots of things I have did in these years when I just opened up my clinic, my business, Hormonal Wings. So what is success mantra to me? Success mantra is something, if I'm learning new, if I'm like exploring new things, I'm writing new things, that mean I am successful. If I can balance my personal and my professional life, that mean I am successful. In my opinion, success is something when you start to cope up with the balance with your personal, professional and everything, then you are a successful person. Yes, and according to me, I am a successful person. So basically, my role model is my dad, especially. He always used to inspire me a lot. Since childhood, I just want to copy him. I want to be a great engineer like him, because he's someone who just cope up with the balance between his professional and personal life, and being a good dad, being a good husband. So I always want to be like my father. I always copy him. Even I just took the maths in the 12th so that I could be an engineer like him. So he's my model. He's my role model, and love you so much, dad. And you always inspired me. Even this Hormonal Wings, like vision, everything belongs to you, dad, and I am because of you. Thank you so much. So yeah, definitely there's a quote that always motivates me, that always trust your family, trust your parents and trust yourself. So failures are there besides you. So just keep on working on your dreams, on your vision, on your success. So if failures are there, then success will be there. So don't worry about the failure, just worry about your work, your learning. So this is my success quote. I used to like keep motivating myself when I'm like dull, whenever I'm like demotivating. I used to say जंग जिंदगी से जारी है, and I have to win. I have to be a winner than to be a failure. So it's not like failure is a bad thing. Failure is a very good thing because you learn how to get succeed ahead. So this is it. What mistakes did I make early in my career is like in the very starting, I don't know what is actually physiotherapy. So there was like a time I didn't respect my work, but yeah, later on I just cover my mistake by my hard work and dedication. And in today's date, I just love physiotherapy a lot. I know physiotherapy can change lives, and I am the one who is being the part of it. Thank you so much, physiotherapy, for letting me a good physiotherapist. So in the near future, hormonal wing is not only going to be a clinic, it's going to be a vision. Hormonal wing is a vision to treat, to rehab, to restore women's silent suffering health, and to educate them about their body, कि what is inside them, कि how to deal with their disorders like pelvic head disorder or menstrual health disorder, how to treat them without the use of any like surgery, any incision should not be there, or any medication. So we are like our future plans to grow hormonal wings into a more publications house and into a more ventures to Mumbai and in across country as much as possible. So this is our vision for hormonal wings. So what is my hard time? Hard time still remember when I just cleared my CDS exam. I'm going to SSB. So this was a time I lack money. I don't have anything. I don't have any dream, any vision. That time I just opened up with all my savings, my clinic, and I don't know if it is going to work because I'm at the age of 21. I don't know if I am going to be a successful person or not, if I'm going to be a good doctor or not, if I'm going to well behave with my patient or not. So this is the most, I think, the hard time, and the hard time in my career, this and in my life. My hard time is when I lost my dad in year 2020 due to heart attack. I just lost at him, and that hard time I can't even explain how I feel, what it mean to me, how I just survived at that time. So these are my two hard time basically. First one is in my career and second in my personal life. So the one thing which I like most about my field, that is physiotherapy, women's health physiotherapy and OB-GYN, is that my patient is never going to die due to lack of my treatment. Yeah, it's like a lifestyle disorder. We are like treating the patient, but we are never going to have, most of time our patient is not going to die. Yeah, they are emergency care patient, they have pain, they have lots of struggles, but they are not going to die. And this is the best part in my profession. My patient will be healthy and he is not going to die. So this is the best part of my profession and my industry, I think. And there's no use of any medication and surgery, and we are like a healing hand. We are going to treat you, and we are going to deal with the pain without any medication and surgery. We are going to heal you, and this is the best part also, I think. So one thing which I'm proud of, the one thing is that at the age of 21 I just opened up my own clinic. I'm the founder of, and my vision is clear at the age of 21, and I just completed my book. It's all about pregnancy in this phase only, in the time of COVID, when everyone was like stucking off and they're like full of anxiety and stress after my dad loss. I just completed 2 books. I don't waste time, I don't like roll up tears. I just मैंने अपनी सारी मेहनत, अपनी जो भी अपना स्ट्रेस था, अपनी नॉलेज थी उस बुक में लगाई, अपने हॉर्मोनल विंग में लगाई. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक माई बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट कि मैं एक बुरे वक्त में भी एक अच्छा काम कर पाई. एंड दिस इज़ माई बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. So my professional members is basically, I'm a professional member, lifetime member of Indian Association of Physiotherapy and UP State Medical Faculty, and I'm also a lifetime member of PCOS Society of India, a gynec society, OB-GYN society. I'm a lifetime member of it, and I'm lifetime member of Birds Speak Club, and I'm also a lifetime member of GOMA, Global Outreach Medical and Health Association. I'm also member. I also get membership for ICRA, that's Indian Clinical Research Society, and I am also a member of Clinical Research Society and Foundation. I'm also a member of CAPA, the Childbirth and Postpartum Rehab Group, and I'm also the member of your parenting health group in international health group, and I'm also a member of your ASWH. So basically I have lots of professional membership, and I'm also member of UN Peace Society, and I'm also member of your AVID, your All Women's League Leadership, and also a lifetime member of your Women's Economic Forum. So these are like and he and she and and Hopeless Project and Homeless Project. I'm also a member of Homeless Project, which is working on the She and Pride. These all are sites which are working for the your menstrual health and for women's health and rights and human rights. So I'm also a lifetime member of AVID, so All Women's League and Women's Economic Forum, and I am also a very proud member of all these things. As I'm born in a family where I'm not the elder one, I'm a younger one, I'm a younger child. So I don't know if I'm having a leadership quality or not. But when I started my business, Hormonal Wing, I come to know that actually I have this quality of leadership. So this quality is actually learned during my experience by just founding the Hormonal Wing and creating this clinic, and then founding it as a vision, then writing my 2 books individually. I know I can be a good leader, and I am a good leader, and I'm learning every day with my new experiences. My advice to all juniors or coming students in the physiotherapy or to gynae department is just simply just try to learn each and every day. Try to write your experience, try to write your data, try to collect all data, try to collect all patients information whom you are treating, try to collect their feedback, try to write each and everything, try to read more and more books, because when you're full of knowledge, you know how to treat the patient, how to deal with them. You have to treat the patient well, because they are trusting you, they are giving their body to you to heal. So this is our responsibility. So just try to learn as much as possible, try to read as much as possible, and try to write your experience. So learning is a bit way more important with your experience. This is my greatest advice, and I'm here to help you. I'm Dr. So if you're asking me about my experience and education, so as I already told you, I'm a bookworm. Since childhood, I am a big bookworm. I just love reading books. I just love my study books a lot. So yes, but experience is much important, because you can't you just know with every passing day, you know, you are learning. So experience is important for learning, and knowledge is also important. Your education is important to get a great experience with your life. So both are like simultaneous. I need both. My experience is also important, and a bit my education too, because I'm learning and like reading and growing every day. So this is my life story. I'm Dr. Diksha Singh, and this is my life story from a dream to reality. Okay, thank you so much. So one thing जिसके बारे में मैं कहना चाहती हूँ, I wanna say something about my new book. It's all about periods. ये मेरी सेकेंड बुक है जो ऑलरेडी अमेजोन किंडल पे आ चुकी है, एंड जल्दी पेपर बैक में भी आ जाएगी. उसका ISBN नंबर ऑलरेडी आ चुका है. इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन अमेजोन बाय डॉक्टर दीक्षा सिंह. इट्स ऑल अबाउट पीरियड्स, एंड उस बुक में आपको सारा डेटा मिल जाएगा रिगार्डिंग योर पीरियड्स की व्हाट इज़ लाइक गोइंग डिसऑर्डर विद योर पीरियड, विद असेसमेंट चार्ट, एंड हाउ टू ट्रीट इट विद डाइट चार्ट, एक्सरसाइज प्लान एंड सप्लीमेंट्स. सो बेसिक द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट द बुक इज़ इट कॉस्ट ₹99 ओनली. वो सिर्फ 99 रुपये की है, तो हर लड़की उसे अफोर्ड कर सकती है. So Wing Woman, this is my gift to every woman on the globe, because as a doctor I can't reach you, you can't reach me, every girl can't reach me, but my work can reach you. So this is my small gift to you as a woman. Okay, thank you, and I hope you will like my story.